Hi guys, today I will show you how to book online flights in trip.com in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end so that you don't miss any information. Let's begin. Open your browser and go to trip.com, select Flights. Below you will see Leaving from and Going to section. Select from where you leaving from and where you are going to from the destination list. After that, select your departure and return dates. Besides, select how many passengers are traveling along with the seat facilities, like economy or business class or premium. Then select Search to view all the available flights in next page. Here at the left side you will see some specific option to specify your search and to see better results. You can specify alliance, airlines, times and so on. In the right side, all the available flights are listed, and you can choose as per your preference. Click on Select button to see available match and click Select below. In this page, you need to add passenger details. Here you will see price details also. They also included compensation for flight delay, which is a great option. Select the Recommend option. After that, fill up the contact details. Below, click on the tick box where it specifies the trip.com booking terms and conditions. Then click on Next to confirm your booking.